calling me back. I'm just trying to get closer. You pulling me closer and closer. Phone ringing like over and over. Cause you keep calling me back.
I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find your loving. I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart. Find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find your loving, I better find your heart. I better find, give all my love, and nothing's gonna tear us apart.
$8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might just make that lane switch. That's just how I feel. Nah. $8 might turn to $1 million and we all rich. That's just how I feel.
We break the code. No way. Hit the brakes when they on patrol. No way. Be the last one out to get the stone. No way. Not one of you fucking head hoes. No way.
Me and my niggas tryna get it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Hit that house, they tell me, is you with it, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Home invasion was persuasive. From 9 to 5, I know it's drinking, yeah, bitch. Yeah, bitch. Dream to living life like rappers do. Back when condom rappers wasn't cool. I fucked Shireen and went to tell my bros. Then Usher Raymond let it burn came on. Hot sauce all at night, top rhyming, yeah, bitch. Park the car, then we start rhyming, yeah, bitch. The only thing we had to free our mind. Then freeze that verse when we see dollar signs. You looking like an easy come up, yeah, bitch. A silver spoon, I know you come from, yeah, bitch. And that's a lifestyle that we never knew. Go at a revenue for the revenue.
Go Halle Berry or Hallelujah. Pick your poison, tell me what you do. Everybody go respect the shooter, but the one in front of the gun lives forever.
The one in front of the gun forever.
And I've been hustling all day, this away, that away, through canals and alleyways, just the same. Money trees is the perfect place for shade, and that's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might just fuck your main bitch. That's just how I feel. Yeah. $8 might say fuck them niggas that you game with. That's just how I feel.
I guess you wanna know where I've been. I started to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Sign when straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide no matter the climate. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me, boy, you lose.
insecure. Space insecure. Girl, space insecure. Space insecure.
On the side, space insecure. Space insecure. Space insecurity. For you, gone girl, gone girl. You better learn how to face it. She's gone girl, she's gone girl. Never replaces. She's gone girl, gone girl. You better learn how to face it. She's gone girl, she's gone girl. Can't think it's too hard to process. Get around you and I regress. I decide with demons I digest. I'm just tired of repeating my digress. Trying to find deeper meaning in nonsense. Trying to grow without hating the process. Tired of anticipating the worst yet. Still anticipating the worst. I need more space in security. I need less voices to fuel me. I need your touch, not to fuel me. You're squeezing too tight for you lose me. For you lose you.
On the side, space insecure. Space insecure. Space insecure. Space insecure.
On the side, space insecure. Space insecure. Space insecurity.
Hello? And then talk to them. Yeah, so I get it. And right now, and I go, oh yeah, I wanna suck up my class. And then I watch it back. Why or why? And she's gonna call drink.
Cups of the rose, bitches in my old phone. I should call one and go home. I've been in this club too long. The woman that I would try is happy with a good guy, but I've been drinking so much that I'ma call her anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And I'll start hating only if you make me. Cups of the XO. All my people been here. I see all of her friends here. Guess she don't have the time to kick it no more. Flights in the morning. What you doing that's so important? I've been drinking so much that I'ma call you anyway and say, fuck that nigga that you love so bad. I know you still think about the times we had. I say fuck that nigga that you think you found. And since you picked up, I know he's not around. I'm just saying you can do better. Tell me, have you heard that lately? I'm just saying you can do better. And I'll start hating only if you make me.
I say
it won't be like that. To everybody else it will just all be bad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Times I don't want you around. You do something to make me smile. And it's hard for me to try to doubt this feeling. Yeah, we could just walk away. Yeah, we could just stay away. The things I love about you I can't change. No, 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 no. In my mind I'm done fighting. In your heart you keep trying. And the truth we done hiding. That's just the way we are. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Like that. But I love when we make up like that. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Can't say you love me when it's like that. Can't say I love you when it's like that. If it was new, it won't be like that. To everybody else, it will just all be mad. But I love when we make up like that. And you love it when I make you mad. But maybe we just love like that. Yeah, maybe we just love like that. Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. On the side, no man at the climbing. Burning bitches in my third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay them beside me. Hate time, chasing the rewind. Hate time. I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. You better learn how to face it, she's gone. La la